So if you ask anyone what the color of blood is, you will definitely be given the answer red, which is not exactly true. Blood is red because it contains iron-based proteins called hemoglobin, which transports oxygen around the body. So if a sample of blood has let's say a different protein other than hemoglobin, what color do you think this sample of blood will be? What's up guys, my name is Dennis, and on today's episode of the Fact Blitz, we will be looking at 5 shocking colors of blood. Number 5, green. Okay, so let's start with the most obvious color, green. Yeah, there are so many movies with creatures having green blood, ranging from monsters to aliens. There are animals in nature that actually have green blood. The skink, which belongs to the lizard family, makes use of hemoglobin to transport oxygen around its body, so it should have red blood. Wrong. The skink actually has green blood. The green color of its blood is caused by a pigment called biliverdin. Hemoglobin causes some byproducts, biliverdin amongst others, which are normally excreted into the intestines. The skink does not excrete the biliverdin, but rather thrives with high levels of this pigment, and this causes their blood to turn green. Leeches also have green blood. The green color of the blood of the leech is not caused by biliverdin, but rather it's caused by the pigment chlorochlorine. Chlorochlorine, why does it sound so familiar? Number 4, yellow. So you are walking in town and you come across a vehicle and you realize that the windscreen or windshield is covered with little yellow splashes. The first thing that will probably, definitely cross your mind is that those little yellow splashes are actually bird poop. That is necessarily not true, as those yellow splashes are actually insects, most likely beetles with their blood and guts splattered all over the windscreen. Yes, insects do have blood and it's called hemolymph. The yellow color of the hemolymph is caused by the metal called vanadium, which is found in vanillin proteins. Scientists don't know why animals have high concentrations of vanillin, as it doesn't help with circulation of oxygen. Apart from most insects, another animal that has yellow blood is the sea cucumber. Yeah, that's a pretty weird creature that lives at the bottom of the sea. Yeah, very weird little things. Harmless though, but pretty weird. Number 3, blue. Some of these animals with blue blood include the horseshoe crab, some species of spiders, and the scorpion, specifically the emperor scorpion, which is actually the largest in the scorpion family. Some species of octopi, octopuses have also been noted to have blue blood as well. Now, these creatures have no veins, as the blood runs through an open circulatory system where it has direct access to all its internal organs, just like insects. So why do these animals have blue blood? The blue color in the blood of these animals comes from a high level of copper in the blood protein hemocyanin, similar to iron in hemoglobin. What is really fascinating is that when blood containing high concentration of the copper-based pigment hemocyanin carries oxygen, it is blue in color, but when it becomes deoxygenated, it actually becomes colorless. Number 2, purple. Some marine invertebrates or creatures that live in the sea have violet or purple blood, such as peripolids, supunculates, and some annelids. These animals owe their purple blood color to the protein called hemerythrin, which, according to marine biologists, helps these animals fight infections, and is also said to help these creatures regenerate when the part of it is cut off. One example of these marine creatures is the peanut worm. Peanut worms have dark purple blood, which is actually quite visible and can appear almost black. Brachiopods, also called lamb shells, are one of the creatures that also has purple blood. When blood containing hemerythrin is oxygenated, it has the color purple, but when it becomes deoxygenated, the blood becomes colorless. Number 1, clear. Living at a depth of 3,300 feet in one of the most inhospitable places on earth, this fish has evolved in a very peculiar way. The blood of the crocodile ice fish is transparent or clear because the red blood cells are usually absent or dysfunctional, which means it lacks hemoglobin. Actually, these are the only vertebrates that have lost or don't have any hemoglobin. The crocodile ice fish doesn't have scales like any other fish, and it can live in water that is below the freezing temperature thanks to the antifreeze in its blood. Because the blood of the ice fish is clear, its skin appears to be somewhat transparent and its internal organs are usually visible. Oxygenated or deoxygenated, the color of the blood of the crocodile ice fish remains the same color, clear. And on that transparency, those were 5 shocking colors of blood. If you have any comments or suggestions, drop them in the comment section down below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, comment, like and share, as doing this helps me know you enjoy my videos and that gives me motivation. Don't forget to ring the little bell and I will see you on my next video. Stay safe and God bless.